village headman's house?
I am the headman.
Put that thing down, Endorn. Are you the man that plotted to resist paying his full rent?
There was no plot. Every man decided for themselves.
That is besides the point. As the headman, you are responsible for the villagers. Many have refused to pay the full rent, so I'm having you arrested.
Wait, you can't arrest him. Headman Enthorn hasn't broke the law.
The hell he hasn't. He hasn't paid any of his rent.
He paid 1/3 of his harvest deal. That's not breaking the law, smart mouth.
Shut your mouth. Enthorn, you're coming with
No!
me.
No! Enthorn, get back here! Enthorn, get back here! You can't take him in.
Imperialist dogs, democracy brothers and sisters, dictatorship, feudalism.
Oh no! If he can do it, Jinda, you can too. Just go, you're holding us up. But whatever you do, keep the rally peaceful.
Hello, I am Jinda, daughter of Enthorn. My father has farmed all his life, and yet has nothing to eat. Why? He had to pay half of his harvest to the landlord. Year after year.
It's okay, Jinda, keep talking.
My father had great intentions to the people of his village.
It's okay, everybody, calm down. It was just a small bomb. The speech will continue.
My father, he always listened to what the people of his village had to say.
Stop! Don't retaliate. Don't fight back.
My dad, he did everything. I don't.
Run, Jinda, run! Get everybody, run!
Come on now, child. Rest when you can. I have to! You have to push? Come on, push, woman! Jinda, hurry up! Go get some banana leaves, quickly! It's okay, Dal. It's almost over.
Push, Dal, push!
Jinda, spread her legs wider. Come on, push! 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 Come on! Can you see the head?
It's a girl!
It's a girl. Wash her. Not now, child. You rest now.
No, wash her in the rain!